Hi everyone, this is Udaya. I totally have 4+ years of experience. When 4 or 5 months back, I was going through tough situation of my life. Through Meetup app, I got connected with Harpit. So he introduced me into this PIM session, Saturday workshops. So where I got to know about like Vijay sir and CIR report where it done, to know about your personality actually. So that's how he asked me to get your CIR report done. Once after that, like Harpit said, like effective communication workshop where you are lacking with your communication. So I was not knowing. Yeah, I want to improve in my communication skills, but the meaning of the communication what I had before is just confident what you are talking, and I was looking for the public speaking actually. So after enrolling into this effective communication workshop, so still I had that in my mind. I can be a good public speaker. I was not even knowing like what it actually does. So the definition of the communication, meaning of the communication entirely, has changed completely. So it is basically like to just know the personality, to know the people around you, like what kind of the personalities. So if you are able to communicate in their language, so that you don't have problem with anybody in this planet. Yeah, that's all.